Hi guys, back again. Make sure to like and subscribe because who doesn't want to? So now back with another art tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing one of the most adorable things in the world. I mean, I love them. You guys don't have to love them at all. But it is adorable little puppies. And what you want to do is you just want to draw a circle like that. And then draw another little oval again. Now in this oval you just want to draw two little circles, like so. And then down here we just want to do a very slightly curved line, like that. And then we're just going to bring it down very softly, like that. And then just do another little oval. Okay, now you can colour in all these bits black. It's very important that this is black because dogs don't really have blue eyes, but it's completely up to you. Okay, and then you just, I'm going to colour in the nose, and then you just want to do a little bit like that. And then like a little wavy little smile, a little wavy little smile. Just let me straighten that out. And just like some little freckles for the little puppy. And now if you come to here and just do a little dot diagonally above each eye, that is where you're going to start your ear. And you can bring your ear down however long you want. And then we're just going to go like that. And then if you turn it sideways, it's much better if you turn it sideways. You just want to come into the ear and just do again a little curved line for the outside of the puppy. Now you want to go like this so you can see the puppy's head. And another little bit there. And then of course you have to give the puppy a collar. Now what you want to do is this is very important, you want to come to the side and bring in a diagonal line like this. And then you want to curl up and just go up. You can create your puppy's legs however long you want. And just now do little lines there, little pauses. And then you just want to go like that for the other legs. Mine might not look the best, but I'm sure you guys are going to do great. And now in between these paws, just want to do a little bit of a line like this. And then I'm just going to give my puppy a little bone as a collar. Like that. And then here's the fun part. You get to colour your puppy in. Mine, I'm thinking like a Dalmatian. So I'm just going to do random little splodges everywhere. But honestly, you guys can make your puppy look however you want. So a little bit here, a little bit there, and a little bit here. And then just random tiny little dots. Dot, 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 dot. And guys, oh my god, we forgot the most important bit of a puppy. It's fluffy, fluffy tail. And I'm gonna make, I'm thinking very hard. Right now, guys, I'm thinking my puppy, yeah, should have a pink collar. That just sounds right. It might not for you guys, but again, you can make this puppy look however you want. But I'm just giving my puppy pink collar. Well, it's obviously a girl now. But it's not. Just because it's got pink collar doesn't mean it's a girl, does it now, guys? Boys can wear pink. But for all you doggy lovers, give me emoji. And for you guys that like cats, give me a cat emoji. And then I'm just going to color this in and this in. And there you go. You have your adorable puppy.